If you run a boutique, you know that cash flow isn't just a number on a spreadsheet, it's the absolute lifeblood of your business. But what if you could actually put it on autopilot? Well, today we're going to show you how to turn all that financial stress into daily clarity using a few smart tools you probably already know. Let's dive right in. So let's be honest for a second. Does this question hit a little too close to home? That constant juggling act, inventory, payroll, rent, all while you're trying to build your brand and be creative. It's just exhausting, isn't it? You didn't get into this to become an accountant, right? You started your boutique because you love design. You love curating beautiful things for people. But the hard reality is, when you're drowning in numbers, it sucks the creativity right out of you. And that brings us to the daily struggle, this state of, let's call it what it is, cash flow chaos. It holds so many talented boutique owners back from reaching their true potential. Do any of these sound familiar? The unpredictable sales on one side, and this never-ending stream of expenses on the other, and that constant fear in the back of your mind that you'll make one tiny mistake in a spreadsheet that throws everything off? It's a recipe for stress, and it keeps you stuck in reactive mode, just putting out fires instead of actually planning for real growth. But what if there was a better way? I mean, really. Imagine going from those gut-feeling guesses and sleepless nights to making data-driven decisions with confident control. That's the huge shift we're talking about. It's all about reclaiming your time and, honestly, your peace of mind. So how do we make this happen? Well, it's not with some crazy, expensive, complicated software. We do it with a few powerful allies that you might already be familiar with. Let's meet the team. Here is the dream team. Think of Notion as your command center, your dashboard, where you can see everything in one place. Make.com, that's the magic in the middle. It's the engine that automatically connects your bank and your sales channels, pulling in data without you lifting a finger. And ChatGPT, well, that's like your personal financial guru, ready to give you insights and answer your questions in plain English. So how do these individual tools actually come together? Well, they form what we call an AI command center for your boutique, a system that you build to perfectly fit your business. And what exactly is an AI command center? It's pretty simple. It's an automated system that you create yourself. It pulls all your financial data into one place, giving you real-time updates and smart insights. The big takeaway? No more guesswork, just a single source of truth for your business. And the process is actually way simpler than you might think. It's really just 3 steps. First, you centralize all your financial tracking in Notion. Second, you automate the flow of data using Make.com so it's always up to date. And third, you analyze that data with ChatGPT to get daily summaries and instant answers. Centralize, automate, analyze. That's it. Now, when you put these pieces together, something really cool happens. You create a completely new reality for your business. You move decisively out of that world of guesswork and into a new world of absolute clarity. Think about this question. It's a high-stakes decision every single boutique owner has to make, probably multiple times a week. And the answer, well, it determines if your shelves are stocked or if your cash flow takes a huge, crippling hit. With this system, you have the answer. Not in a few hours, not after wrestling with a spreadsheet for half the day, but right now, instantly. And that kind of clarity, well, it changes everything. And the benefits are an absolute game changer. You get crystal clear visibility into your cash position every single day. You get proactive alerts for potential trouble spots, like a low cash week coming up. You can make confident spending decisions based on real-time data. And best of all, no more second guessing if you can cover payroll. You get your time back, you get your creativity back. Okay, this all sounds great, I know. But where on earth do you even start? Let's talk about some quick wins, some easy first steps you can take for your boutique right away. Look, this isn't about boiling the ocean. We're going to start small. First, just build a super simple financial dashboard in Notion. Next, pick just one data source, like your Shopify account, and automate it with Make.com. Then ask ChatGPT for a simple summary of your cash flow for the week. And finally, set up one automated reminder for a bill you absolutely cannot miss, like rent. These small steps build incredible momentum. So here's the real question. When you remove the stress, when you stop all those wasted hours of manual financial tracking, what are you going to do with all that freedom? What new product line will you curate? What amazing customer experience will you design? What will you build with the time you get back? Because that is the real prize.